Hello, this is Dr. Alex Vernon with a training on how to construct a Pareto diagram in Excel. Here we have some data of defect type and frequency of occurrence. These are qualitative data, categorical data, if you will. And they're not sorted in any way. So a Pareto diagram is a diagram that shows the vital few from the trivial many. So we're going to sort some data and then present it in a way that calls our attention to the most important or most frequently occurring causes of something. So I'm going to go to the Data tab after I select the data and sort the data by frequency from the largest to smallest. I'm going to hit OK. You'll note it puts the data in ascending and descending order, 15, 10, 5, etc. I'm also going to create a column for cumulative frequency of occurrence. And I'm going to build that. I'm going to start by getting the 15 occurrences in the door dent category equal, and then make another sum of the 15 plus the 10 in the next category. I'll get that built, and then copy it down. So we have a cumulative frequency column. And you'll note we started out with 33 observations or occurrences, and now we had 33 in the last category. I'm also going to create a cumulative percentage column. I'm going to take the 15 in the first category, divide that with the total number of 33, put dollar signs around 33 to make it absolute, and then format that as percentage with one decimal place, and copy it through. So now we're going to have to plot these data. First, I'm going to use defect type, frequency, and cumulative frequency. And I'm going to go to the Insert tab and go to the line, not the scatter, the line, and down to where it says Line with Markers. Here we have a couple of lines. I have to reformat the frequency data. I use right mouse, you go to Change Data Series Type, and to Column, top left corner. Hit OK. Now we have columns for frequency, and then the cumulative frequency is a line. We're only using one vertical axis here. This is one way to do a frequency, a Pareto diagram. I'm going to clean this up a little bit. I'm going to go to Page Layout, it's Layout, and give it a chart title. And I think I better make that somewhere else. It's above the chart. Pareto defects. You can be more descriptive. And axis title, I will title the horizontal axis this time. Defects type, and we'll go ahead and get the vertical axis for the sake of completion. Okay, we'll give it a title. Let's call it frequency / cumulative frequency. So in general, objects or graphs need axes with titles. And I'll leave that to the user to fit the situation. Now I'm going to use defects, frequency, and I'm going to select those and then hit the Control key and hold it, and then select the cumulative percentage. I'll do the same basic thing. I'll insert line with markers. Go ahead and change the frequency series with right mouse to change series types to column, top left corner. And note the scale is really not real useful. So I'm going to go ahead and add a secondary data. I'm going to format the data series, secondary axis. And then on the right, we get an axis that fits with cumulative percentage. It goes up to 120, and it really makes no sense to have it go that high, so I'm going to format the axis. And I'll go to Fixed and make that maximum to be 1.0. And there you go, a Pareto diagram. We could go in and we could give chart titles. I'll go ahead and title it because it's Pareto. But probably not going to go ahead and go through the process of titling all the axes now. You can do that yourself. Hope this has been very helpful.